Alright boys, I'm just having a piss here, but in this video, hold on, let's just wipe my knob. I'm going to teach you boys how I plan to make 10,000 fucking bumba-clats, macaroonies, and yeah, start making that generational printing Wi-Fi bread, come on. Smack the 10k on your mama, come on. Fucking weird, but anyway, first fucking step, have a strategy. What's my strategy? What should your strategy be? I don't know, I can't wipe your own ass, but I'll tell you what my strategy is and how I plan to do so. Breakouts. Every single day, New York session, breakout strategy. Or London. For those that don't know, if you don't follow me on Instagram, I've been trading France 40 for the past fucking 2-3 weeks. I've not lost a single trade on the past 15 trades, using the same strategy at the same time every single bomber day. But in this example, New York session, since a lot of you are fucking American and you all speak like this and you all sound like fucking everything's exaggerated, you eat burgers and shit. Sound fucking annoying. Americans sound annoying and everyone knows that except from you. But anyway, step 2. Have your strategy. Now you want to backtest your strategy and you want to have at least a minimum of 60% win rate. Meaning you're winning at least 6 out of 10 trades at 1 to 2 hour minimum. 60% is good. And for this breakout strategy, you're winning more than you're not. So, all good. Maybe look into it if you don't already. If you do all the ICT, SMT, fucking A, B, C, D, E, F, G, L, G, B, F, T, fucking LGBTQ, gay, fuck all that shit. Breakouts, simple, lines, boom. Right, that was step 2. 6% win rate. Okay, cool. Now you got a 6% win rate. We're gonna go get a prop firm challenge. We're gonna go get futures. We're not gonna fuck with CFDs because CFDs are shit, the bollocks, right? When we're trading breakouts, in my specific example, we need to make sure that we're in when we're in, out when we're out, and fucking bish bash bosh, because shit moves quick. I can be in a trade for 15-20 seconds and the trade's done for the day and we're done and we go for a one. We're making peas, bruv. Still. Yeah. So, fuck CFDs. We don't want spread, we don't want slippage. Futures. Now, when you're first starting out, the first way you're going to get into this is you're going to use the cheapest fucking prop firm you can find. Why? Because we don't have peas right now. We're trying to make 10 racks a month, so we need to go find peas. So, the way I'm going to do it is My Funny Futures. Now, I artistically researched this shit top to bottom with Top Step, Apex, Alpha Futures, all the fucking dog's bollocks, you name it. My Funny Futures makes sense. I'll tell you why. 1 day pass, $100 for an account, no activation fee. Meaning we can take one fucking trade, risk $1,000 to make the 3k profit target, and we're funded the day after. Get where I'm going? Alright, cool. Meaning, if we really wanted to, knowing that our strategy is around 60 to 70%, if we wanted to put $300, $400 to the side, just in case as a safety net, we can put $100 in, full port, $1,000, $3,000 in a day, 1 to 3 hour, we fucking pass. If we don't, we still have another $100, boom. But we know by probability in one of them 4 days, there is going to be a day where we pass. Now we've passed, we use our system. Right, and this is where the whiteboard comes in. Right, I've done all the fucking maths for you boys. Done all the Einstein shit, it all makes sense. Hear me out. Step 1, backtest strategy, 6%, got through that. Step 2, My Funny Futures. We need a 1 day pass, 50k account, bosh. Step 3, we're gonna receive our first payout. Now with our strategy, we're gonna be risking around $350, making $700 a day at 1 to 2s, right? Now if we do this consistently, with our strategy that's above a 6% win rate, we're going to get our first payout within the first 1 to 2 weeks. Now, what do? We take that $1,200, we apply for max allocation. You can have 5 accounts. 5 accounts, we're going to take the $1,200, we're then going to spend another 77 times 4 on 4 other accounts. We've got max allocation, we're playing with 250k in funding, right? So now, instead of just risking $350 a day, we're risking $350, yeah, but across 5 accounts, which is like, I can't remember the maths, but it's fucking mathing, right? Then what we're going to do is copy trade all them accounts. If you didn't believe you could do this, you can buy one account, trade on one account, but it enters all trades on all 5 accounts. But when I heard this shit, I was like, well, it's like the first time getting pussy. Step 6, the One Shot System. We just do the same thing every single day, at the same time, same strategy, whether win, lose, or break even. Now, the reason why I came up with the one-shot system is because I was looking at my P&L and seeing I was taking too many trades in a day, too many re-entries, over trading and all that shit. And what does everybody else do? What do you all do? You sit there and you go, oh shit, buy, sell, buy, boom, 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 boom. And before you know it, you sat there sweating your bollocks off, smell like cheese and garlic, and you just blown your whole fucking account. So we take one shot, build that system, build that discipline, and we walk away, whatever the fucking result is, and we're done with that day. Okay? Risk 1 mini per trade. Super simple. Don't have to wonder what your fucking stop loss size is going to be. Don't have to wonder how many micros and all this shit. 1 mini. That's all you do. Futures. 1 mini. 60% win rate, right? Now here's the numbers. If we take 20 trading days, we win 12 out of fucking 20 trades. We lose 8. But when we win 12, we've done 700 times 12, which is 8.4k. And that's on one account. Now when we times this by 5 across all of the accounts, we win $42,000 in trades, but then our losses equates to $22,400 in trades, which is a total of $19,600, right? Now, because we've got the cheapest account, our max payout allows $1,200 per account every 5 days. And a winning day classes is $100. So if you have 5 days of at least $100, you've got a winning day. But with this system, with at least 60%, if you're hitting 1s to 2s, every 1 to 2 weeks, every 2 weeks, you should be getting a payout of a $1,200 payout per account. Now, $1,200 per account times 5, well, here's the maths. It's fucking rubbed out. Around 6k per payout over 5 accounts. You do that 2 times a month, you've now just made $12,000 fucking dollars, and now you can go piss on your dead teacher's grave who told you you're going to be a failure in school, which is what I'm about to do, hence why I'm in a car park all by myself on this rainy pissy day, because I'm about to go piss all over my primary school teacher. And yes, she's dead, and do I give a fuck? No, because she told me I was going to be a failure in school, so I'm going to go piss on her grave, and I'm going to go make 12 fucking racks in a month. Right now, me and the cameraman, we are going to film this, so if you do want to see me piss on my dead teacher's grave, all is going to be exclusive in my free Discord. So if you want to see that video, that will be in the description of this video. This is only just the start though, boys. Jokes aside, this is just the start. 10 racks in a month, this is the start. This is the low hanging fruit. 12 racks in a month ain't fucking shit. But what you're going to see, I'm telling you now, watch this. This is what you're going to see. This video is going to be called How I Plan to Make My First $10,000 a Month Trading. The video to follow up from this is going to be how I just made my first $10,000 a month from trading. Alright? The third video is going to be how I plan to now make $100,000 a month from trading. And then what you're going to see on the last video for that is how I just made $100,000 per month in a month trading. And it's all going to be done using the One Shot system. Now this is something I've back tested the shit out of. It's how I've got a 15-day win streak on Transport in the past fucking 2-3 weeks. It's how trading has started to become rather than unprofitable and break even. Now because I'm following a mechanical system where I do the same thing, same time, every single day, one trade, break even, win or loss, it has changed everything for me. And you and I are going to see the whole journey, and yeah, it's going to be fun. So yeah, I have to go piss on my dead teacher's fucking grave. Come here, Mrs. Elliott, you fucking slag. You told me I was going to be a failure in school, you fucking little bitch. We're not going to piss on this bitch. Fucking primary school scat. Fucking didn't let me jump in the sandpit when I wanted to. Call me a failure. The fucking hoe. Ridiculous. Fucking hate slags.